I'm continuing the countdown of the top 50 job search strategies to get you hired rapidly. One of the most important things you can do during an interview is to admit when you make a mistake with a problem and learn from it to avoid repeating it. This shows that you're candid and introspective and that you're willing to learn from your mistakes. It also demonstrates that you have the ability to take constructive criticism. To offer a specific example, let's say you were asked, how would you handle a customer complaint? If you made a mistake in your response, such as forgetting to resolve the issue, be sure to mention it and explain what you would do differently next time. By doing so, you'll show that you're honest and capable of learning from your mistakes. Furthermore, this will give the interviewer confidence in your ability to handle future problems in a professional manner. Overall, admitting your mistakes and trying to learn from them is always better than trying to cover them up or pretending that they never happened. Click on the playlist now to view more job searching tips and click on my face to subscribe to receive alerts when I post a new training video. This is Ilene Rein from Pounding Pavement 101.